Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday. It's about 8 in the morning almost, and I've got good news for you. Most of us have been having issues with Pro Tools and Sound ID reference, and I mentioned in my past video that there was going to be sometime next week an update that was supposedly going to fix that. Um, and guess what? The update is live. So if you want to get the update, all you have to do, and I'm going to open here my um, system wide to show you guys. Um, you're going to have to go over here and check for updates. And once you click that, it tells you there's an update available. So just hit update and it will download, send you to the download page. So you're gonna have to click Windows or Mac, whatever you're using. Click download and save the file somewhere. It's gonna be in my desktop here. It's a pretty quick download, by the way. I just open it and install as you should, and hopefully this will solve our issues and everything will work again. Close this guy. I'm going to stay with you to see what happens with mine. That way you know if it fixes or not, because some of the cases it's supposedly going to work, but mine I don't know. I have a weirder issue going on and I don't know what it is. So let's go for the install. Takes a little bit. I still work with reference 4 on Pro Tools perfectly fine, so at least I got that going on. But hopefully I can get this guy to work, because I really enjoy the part of adjusting the EQ curve to my custom preferences, which sometimes, I mean, the calibration microphone system does a fantastic job, but sometimes I like to hear a little bit more bass here and there, or a little cleaner up there on the high end. So I took it a tad bit just to compare, and also the features that it has that you can emulate, like listening to your car and several other things. I find that really helpful. So fingers crossed. It's almost done. And let's close this guy here. Well, and here is the measuring and the thing itself, the plane itself. So let's see if Pro Tools picks it up. I haven't seen it reading it here on the scan, but that doesn't mean anything. Let's see. I got the reference 4s here set up on my two mains, but let's change it. Nope. Still not appearing, so I'm going to try one more thing before I say it's not quite there yet, at least in my case. I'm gonna go and trash my preferences folder for Pro Tools. If I'm correct, I think this is it. I believe this is the one. Edit Pro Tools. Yeah, okay. Install AX plugins. And I delete that. Force Pro Tools to scan again. And since I'm there already, might as well just double check that the files folder, it's there and it all looks kosher. Sound ID. See, I have two now. This is 311 and today is 320. So this is the one that installed today. I'm going to delete the old one, so make sure it's not there. And I'm going to, for good practices, I'm going to rename this folder to just Sound ID reference and get rid of all this stuff right there. I might as well just take that out too. There. Now let's force Pro Tools to rescan, and hopefully that works. If not, we'll have to wait and keep communicating with tech support and trying to figure it out. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Here it comes, and I'm not going to be too excited because I didn't think it would work. Alright, so I don't know what the deal is with mine. I hope for you guys it works and solves the problem. And if not, join the club. I have no idea anymore. So I'll keep you guys posted, and as soon as I find anything else, I'll let you guys know. So for now, that's all from me. See you next time.